Zedge is a popular platform that allows users to download wallpapers, ringtones, and other personalization content for their devices. While Zedge is mainly known for providing free content, you can also make money on the platform as a creator. Here's how. Create and upload content. Start by creating your own high-quality content like wallpapers, ringtones, and notification sounds. You can use graphic design or audio editing tools to create appealing designs and sounds that people will want to download. Sign up as a contributor. To make money on Zedge, you need to become a contributor. You can apply through the Zedge contributor platform by signing up with your email and uploading your content. Monetize your content. Zedge operates a revenue sharing program. When users download or use your content, you earn a share of the ad revenue generated. The more popular your content, the more money you can make. Make sure to optimize your designs by focusing on trending topics or designs that are in high demand. Promote your content. Promote your Zedge content through social media or your website to increase visibility and downloads, boosting your earning potential.